how to use statistics on your timeline. For example, I have this oil prices chart and I want this data to be on my timeline. So I click here and choose statistics. I choose metrics, it will be US dollars, then I put the name, add description, choose text, color. You can also adjust line width and height. Then you have to put the data. You can do it manually by clicking here or here, choose the date and put the value, or you can have the data to be prepared like this. It's a year, space, months, space, date, comma, value. So I need to format this data to look like this. So I did it. Let's see. Okay, so now I have oil prices chart for the last year on my timeline. You can also add picture. So these are the basic tools you can use to create statistics on your timeline.